Hey, I'm Scottie and I'm going to show you how to sketch this skater figure with my brush pens. But for a change, I'm going to try and add colour with some new Posca pens and a bit of an ink wash. I wanted to explore a variation of my style, so let me know if you think this works. The first step in the process is to sketch some of the main shapes with some watered down black ink. I'm quite excited about this sketch as I'm trying something new and it helps me stay motivated. Okay, I'm quite happy with the proportions, but I can always change it as I sketch. Now on with the line work, using these Pentel brush pens that have waterproof ink in them. That means that I can add a bit of a wash later on top. The gaps between the lines here aren't just a style thing, it's also helpful for me to be able to control the line. I can adjust as I'm sketching. Okay, the line work is finished and there's not a lot of contrast in value, so I'm going to try and use colour to add the interest. So I've only got this pale orange Pentel ink, which I've diluted into a water brush pen. It's not quite right, but it'll have to do. These Posca pens have really nice strong colours. It's a ultra fine tip here and it's probably too small for this area, but that's what time lapse is for. Okay, so I'm adding a second layer to the skin and then blending it in with a water brush pen. So there it is, I really like the result. The skin's a bit peachy, but I like the skateboard and the blue wash looks quite nice. Thanks to my Patreon members for voting which reference to sketch. The funny thing was we had a tie, so I'll be sketching the other reference next video, and I'll be posting the full version of this video on Patreon if you're interested in sketching along and getting feedback. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you on the next one.